Hello, and for this video I've been working hard on my tan in Spain, as you can see. So I forgot to make the video as I was going along because there were plenty of other things to do, like, chores and walking. But I did still manage to get a few things done in terms of astronomy, especially when you see what the weather forecast looked like. So some good solar shots, lunar shots. Also tried a little bit on planetary as well, as Jupiter was at opposition, and a bit of wide field time-lapse star training. So one of the things about being away on holiday is having a nice bit of light kit to carry around. So here's my Mach 127. You can see the bags I've got for it. One's for the tripod and the other one's for the mount head itself, and also the telescope sits in there as well. So the mount head you can see here, it actually sits on a table quite nicely, so you could actually do tabletop astronomy with it. It's a Nexstar 4 SE mount, Altaz mount, go-to as well, but it also has a tripod with a little level mounted on the top there to set it up, so that you can either use it tabletop or stick it on the tripod and have it in conventional mode. So here it is set up on the tripod, and daytime, as you can see, and the reason is that I'm going to be imaging our closest star, the Sun, and to do that I've got this AstroZap solar filter. It's a full field filter, so it fits across the entire aperture. And how do you set it up? Well, okay, this shot here just showing you the shadow. So you basically line it up so you get the smallest amount of shadow possible, and with a low power eyepiece that's usually good enough to get it somewhere near. You'll notice I don't have the Telluride on the top there. That's because it'll burn out if you point that towards the Sun, or even any type of finder is dangerous. So I'm set up at the back here for afocal astrophotography. What does that mean? I'm going to use the iPhone and this little adapter here to take a picture through the lens. So not so easy while you're filming it, but what you can see is the camera on the back of the iPhone basically looks into the eyepiece, and you can already see the Sun, although it's not particularly well in focus at that point. But a great little adapter, works really well with the telescope. So yes, I've set the mount up to track the Sun, and as we've got a nice sunny day, I took some reasonable shots, and here's one of them now. So I don't usually narrate over my videos, but lots of bird noise, and I hadn't brought a microphone down with me. As you can see, we were camping, and a really lovely site down just south of Barcelona, a place called Cambrils, and at Easter, nice and quiet, beautiful site. Sea's about 100 meters away, so yeah, we had a great time. So as the night drew in, I reset up so that I could use it for visual astronomy. I extended the tripod legs and got myself comfortable for a nice evening's viewing, along with a laptop as well. And tried a number of different things. It was a lovely clear evening, the moon was just about the first quarter. I was hoping to catch the Lunar X, but it wasn't to be, unfortunately. But got some really good images actually. This was taken up close with a Barlow lens as well. This is one of my favourites. It's a Star Trails, as you can see. I lit one of the frames up with a flash, but it's about 2 hours worth of exposures. Jupiter was opposition while we were away, so I recorded some video. Not great, I must admit. The definition isn't great, and actually the red spot wasn't visible at the time I was taking the video, but I think I can still do more with this image if I look at Registack's wavelet processing in a bit more detail. Okay, so that's about it for now. Thanks for watching, and I've got several videos lined up in the making, so I'll be back soon.